Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart, hourly chart of gold USD in front of us. And as we all know that gold is sleeping. Not only gold, in fact, all the major pairs are not showing any big moves because market is waiting for tomorrow's CPI. If you go to any economy calendar, you'll see that tomorrow we have a big event. Tomorrow we have CPI. Inflation data is about to come out. That will bring some volatility and will give a direction to the market. So right now, market is mostly waiting for a direction. You can see here gold holds ground as investors brace for US inflation data. So as a result, you can expect that till CPI, market will remain like this. Market will not show big moves. So overall, we can expect a low volatile market till next CPI. If we look at the chart of DXY or US dollar index, we can see that DXY is showing some recovery, but obviously there is not much buying power. So as a result, we cannot be confident on DXY's recovery. There is a high chance that after some time DXY will face some selling pressure and will crumble again. You can see here already can see there is a divergence. And as we already know that both fundamentally and technically DXY is not very positive, the market sentiment is not very positive right now. So as a result, DXY or US dollar needs a big news that will bring a big recovery. And in case DXY breaks 100.80, then things will be very critical because we do not have any immediate support below 100.80 on DXY. Now let's talk about gold. So overall, the levels we have discussed in our previous videos are still the same because gold has not shown any big moves after the market opening on Monday. So the resistance level around 2031 to 2033 is still very much valid. Yesterday, when market was going up, I thought that market would hit 2030 level and market would come down. But sadly, market started falling. Okay, and market failed to go higher and hit the 203132 level. So today we can expect that during the day or during the US session, if market goes up, shows some recovery and hits 2031 2033 level, market will face some resistance. Means there will be some selling pressure around this level. If the volatility of the market remains like this, then definitely we can expect some sort of price rejection from above around this level. And if that happens, we can look for a sell position because yesterday we saw market was struggling around Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. Listen to me carefully. Market was facing resistance around this level. Okay, so definitely our Fibonacci is working. So next time we can expect that Fibo 50 to work as well. And then we have 2041 to 2042 as the next resistance. But today I don't think so market will be heading towards 204142 level because market is not very volatile. Anyways, during the day, keep your eyes on two levels, 2031 to 2033 and 20 let's make it 40 and 2042. These are the two levels, okay, where you can expect the market to face some selling pressure. If market reverses, if market shows price rejection from above, market shows shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, you can go for a sell position. And my dear friends, let me make it clear. Keep in mind, overall the trend of the market has not changed. Whatever we have discussed on Saturday, it is still very much valid, but still we are looking for selling opportunity because right now there is not much volatility in the market. But if you're swing trader, positional trader, then the overall sentiment on the chart of gold has not changed. Gold is still very much bullish if we consider the overall sentiment of the market. But as right now market is not moving much, that's why we are looking for some temporary selling or quick selling opportunity Yeah, otherwise, it is still a bullish market. Let me make it very, very clear. So as a result, do not expect a complete trend reversal from these levels. You can expect a profit of 30 to 50 pips if market shows good rejection. So confirmation is extremely important. In case market shows bullishness, for example, market gets very volatile during the US session, or market becomes very bullish during the US session, and if you see, then market is standing at 2031 2032 with a big green candle, then use your common sense. Do not take a sell position. Keep in mind, no level is permanent in the market. If we have 10 trade setups, then out of 10 trade setups, okay, if you do proper observation, then you will only get 3 to 4 good trades. Okay, you cannot trade on each and every level, and you cannot trade on each and every setup. This is the main difference between a trader and a gambler. So be careful. And if you're wondering about support, then the next immediate support is around 1999 to 2000 level. Actually, 1999 2000 was not a proper support, but right now, because of this ongoing volatility, you can definitely expect 1999 to 1999 slash 2000 to act as a support for the market. Not only because prices bounce from this particular level, but 2000 is also a round number, so this is also a psychological support for the market. So this is the ultimate support before news, before CPI for market. But as of now, as the market is very low volatile, you can also check the market around 2014, around 2014. It can be 2015, it can be 2013.50 also. Around 2014, you can expect some sort of minor weak support. Okay, so observe the market at 2014 as well. During the day, if market is very sleepy, observe market around this area. If you see the market is trying to take support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can look for a buy around 2014 as well. But the only logical support is 1999 to 2000. This is not a logical support. We are just considering this as the support only as of now because market is low volatile. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that the market, okay, the volatility of the market, okay, decides a hell lot of things. Okay, so here market is low volatile, that's why we're considering 2014. And in case market breaks 2014, in case market breaks 2014, and if you see that the selling pressure is more or less good, you can also look for a sell below 2014 as well. Okay, because this is not a proper support, but market is very slow, so we can expect. But if market breaks 2014, there can be a quick selling opportunity for at least 30 pips. You can expect to market to move around 2011. So let's wait and watch. And if you're a beginner, if you're a new trader, this is not the ideal market for you to trade. Wait for the market to move to the major levels or proper levels. Sadly, okay, the market is not moving much this week, so what can we do? Okay, this is not in our hand. Anyways, whatever I do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis, my dear friends. I can be wrong as well. I'm also a trader like you. So, and as we all know, no trader is 100% accurate. So follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care.